Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk about Sage 100 contractor data cleanup. So if that's not you, thanks for checking in. We'll catch you next time. For the rest of you, I wanted to share a few things that we've done recently. It seems like this time of year we get a lot of requests to clean up data in Sage 100 Contractor, and we have a lot of unique tools and background knowledge to get that done. So to spark your curiosity and get the juices flowing on this, I thought I'd share a few of the projects we've recently done. So one was cleaning up old purchase orders. So the goal was to take all the status 1 open purchase orders, move them to status 4 closed for all records older than a specific date, for all jobs that have a status of 6 closed. Now we've done similar kinds of things with other parameters, of course, or perhaps for subcontracts. Maybe you let those get a little out of hand and they need to be cleaned up. Or maybe change orders, old change orders that weren't kept up to date, and you'd like to keep them up to date, get them up to date so the reports make sense. Here's another one. A client had pay group changes, forgot to push them out into the 521 screen after doing them in the pay groups themselves, created the 400 payroll records, and they all had the wrong rate. So what we were able to do is get into the data, go to the back tables, get those fixed, and the payroll was out on time without voiding 400 records. Here's another one that we come across pretty often. Vendor audit errors or client audit errors when you're running the 1/6 soft close or you're trying to close and move to the next fiscal year. If you let those linger, you're going to not be able to move forward one of those months, and you're going to have an emergency on your hand. So if you're getting those audit errors, let us know. We can take care of that using our tools. You can't do it from the front end of the program. Last one I'll share with you as an idea is cleaning up old parts that have no activity, or maybe it's old cost codes that don't have any activity, or cost codes that need to be repointed to a new group. Takes a little planning, takes a little forethought, but we've been able to do projects like that. So we've done some pretty interesting data cleanup with 100 Contractor. We have some amazing tools, a very deep understanding of the tables in 100 Contractor, and we have strong programmers and great business applications people. The other plus for doing this with us is that we can work with you to minimize your downtime and work interruptions that might happen during this data cleanup. There's no need to send your data away, wait for a couple of days while your work piles up. We'll be able to work that out with you. If this is intriguing or it sparks some ideas for some data cleanup for you, let us know. We'd be happy to talk with you about your project and see what we might be able to help with. Thanks for your time and have a great rest of your week.